Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Instagram messages. So first, just open your Instagram app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on this messenger icon at the top right corner. And then here you'll find the chat that you want to delete. So for example, I will tap this one, and then you will find all the messages or chat right here. So if you want to delete some messages, all to do is tap and hold that message right here. Then you will find unsend option. So tap on that. And then also you can do that on the other message. Tap and hold, then tap on and send. And that unsent messages will remove to your chats. Now if you want to delete the full conversation, so all you need to do is go back to the chats right here and then find that chats that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this conversation right here. Just tap and hold that chats right here, and then you'll find delete option. So just tap on delete and then delete again for confirmation, and finally that message is deleted. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.